just going to demonstrate here one of the probability charts that could happen when you compare your experimental and your theoretical. And so this is a three-coin flip experiment. This is not like a games fair question, but I just wanted to show you the kind of chart that you can do when you compare it. So these are our outcomes. So 0 heads, 1 head, 2 head, or 3 heads. And the probability in theory is 12 and a half, 37 and a half, 37 and a half, 12 and a half. And the experimental, I just put in numbers here. So out of 100 flips of the coin, 3 flips of the coin, you get 10 of them come up no heads, 30 of them come up 1 head, 45 of them come up 2, and then 15 come up 3 heads. And so if you have a chart like this, you can just make a chart after you've ran your trials. So 3 columns with 2 probabilities. If we highlight the 3 columns, and there could be any number of outcomes here. We've just got 4. If you go to Insert Chart in the spreadsheet, what it does is it makes it what we call like a 2D clustered column chart or 2D clustered bar chart, and so it actually anticipated that that's what I wanted, but under the suggested, like, we can look at different things here. And so this is a stacked column chart, so it's got the probabilities, and it's not as nice for comparing. So this one here, it actually compares nicely so that you can see the experiment or the theoretical versus the experimental for each of the outcomes. And so I can just make it smaller, and then once we have it in here, now we can screen capture it, copy and paste it into our report, and then we can comment on each one of the outcomes.